ab routine. You guys asked for it for a long time, so I figured I'd deliver it. Try it out, let me know how it goes. Post it on your Instagram stories or something and tag me. I'd love to repost it. Tag me. I'd love to repost it.
How's it going today, guys? Ethan here, back at again with another video. If this is your first time watching my channel, I post weekly content related to fitness and finance. In this week's video, we're gonna be talking about Jesse James West's ab routine. So before we get started, I just wanted to give a brief rundown. Basically what I'm doing this week is I'm doing at least 100 leg raises every day and then working in some oblique work too. So whether that's Russian twists, windshield wipers, basically stuff like that. Hopefully I'm gonna get a chance to include a little bit from each day, but honestly I'm probably not gonna film each day. I'm just gonna film a few of the ab exercises and then some voiceovers. Let's go ahead and get started.
3 days later.
I'm gonna be honest, guys, I suck at Russian twists. That's why I haven't been recording them. I'm so bad at Russian twists. I'm gonna try to do some of those windshield wipers instead because this ain't it, chief.
All right, guys, it is day 5 of the Training Abs Like Jesse James West challenge. I've been getting up really consistently, doing some fasted cardio, my regular workout, and then I've really just been training abs in between. I've been working from, I've been working from home, so this is my work from home setup. But just kind of getting bored in between, you know, phone calls or reports and stuff. I have been literally just getting abs in, doing 25 to 30 leg raises, and then I just did some Russian twists before bed. So I'm not doing anything that doesn't seem like super realistic for literally anyone. And I'm already seeing some pretty decent results. I'm gonna get another set of leg raises in as well as give like a super quick physique update.
He's a commando, ninja, a force of nature rising, commando.
All right, guys, so I did 30 minutes of the rower at 30 rows per second. So just one row every 2 seconds and burned about 400 calories. I'm feeling it. All right, guys, so it is the morning of the last day of the Jesse James West abs challenge. It is crazy. This week is flowing by. We're gonna get some footage of the final ab workout, and then I will let you guys in on a few little secrets on how I was able to do the bulk of my transformation this week. If you just made it past the footage of me flexing my abs in the mirror while I winced in pain, you were the realist, and thank you. But in all seriousness, that was a pretty sucky week of dieting and a lot of cardio and abs. I will say, shout out to Jesse James West for a solid, super simplistic ab routine. I literally did about 10 minutes of abs every day this week, and I saw a considerable difference. Probably the biggest thing though is gonna be the diet that I followed. So I fasted carbs completely this week. I only ate meat for the past 5 days. And so, you know, your boy enjoyed some tacos immediately after filming that. I think we overcomplicate just abs and fitness in general. If you really think about it, once you diet down to a certain weight, you can probably just figure out your maintenance and maintain that. So realistically, I have probably about 5 more pounds that I'd like to shred off, and then I will try to bulk back up, maybe 10, 15 pounds of muscle, and then maintain there. But there's kind of this idea of, can you bulk and then shred down, or can you not lean bulk? But Coach Greg himself says you can even gain muscle in a deficit. So you can absolutely gain muscle as long as you're eating the correct kinds of foods and you're eating in a slight deficit. You're not gonna gain weight back. You are gonna gain weight back, just the right kind of weight. I think that comes down to a body composition thing and just being smart about the foods that you're putting in your body, as well as living in moderation in both sides. So one thing my girlfriend Paige, which channel link down below, was saying earlier today is that you can kind of go a little too extreme on the fitness side of things, as well as like the laziness side of things. And there's definitely a happy medium. So you don't want to be like manic about just shredding and getting gains all the time, because your quality of life is going to be like here, where you want it to be here. And if you're too lazy, your quality of life is going to be here, and you want them to kind of just like meet in the middle. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the ab video. I will keep you guys posted on my fitness journey and the progress that I'm personally trying to make. I really have a lot of work to do on my quads. My hamstrings and my back are pretty strong, but that is some stuff I will be documenting on this channel, so I'll keep you guys posted there. But until next time, super grateful for you guys. Don't forget to RKO the like button, and we will see you in the next one.